What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be actually taking a look at some more Python HackerRank. Now we want to basically progress this bar all the way to the end so we can upgrade our level. Now to do that we have to pass these little challenges which I'll be going over, which I've already solved this one and this one, and we're just going from this one, right? So let's go ahead and solve the challenge here. Alright, so the task is the provided code stub needs two integers from stdn, a and b, add code to print three lines. The first line contains the sum of the two numbers, the second line contains the difference of the two numbers, and then the third line contains the product of the two numbers. Okay, pretty easy to do. Now, before I continue on with the video, I want to say if you are not subscribed to the channel, highly recommend doing that. And also, if you would like to see more of these challenges, like the video and let me know. And if you're looking for internships or tech jobs, check out the first link in the description. I think you'll really enjoy it. It'll really help you in the coding journey. But with that being said, let's get into it. So this is a pretty easy problem. Basically, we have to first sum up the two numbers. So add code to print three lines. Okay, so print, right? Remember the print function. We'll do a plus b. And then print, and then we have to find the difference. So a minus b. Which I don't know why it's giving me that. Okay. And then the third one is print, and then a. Now the symbol for the times is going to be the asterisk b. And we're going to go ahead and run our code, which should be good. So if the output is 3, 2, should be 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 minus 2 equals 1. And then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So that's good here. So we're going to go ahead and submit code. Everything seems good here. And yeah, that should do it. And there you go. We have done it. And on to the next challenge now. Now, this next challenge is division. So the code stub reads two integers, a and b, from stdin. Add logic to print the two lines. The first line should contain the result of an integer division. The second line should contain the result of a float division. So we will do print, and remember division in Python. If you want just the integer division, you'll do a slash slash b, and then print, and we have a slash b, which is just the regular division, right? Which is the float division actually. So we run our code, that checks out, and then we'll go ahead and submit our code, and that should be good. Okay, we have earned our first star in Python. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next challenge. And let me go to this one. Continue Python. So we earned our first star, and we're rank 2 million, right? Yeah, so 2,250,000. So every video I'm gonna try to get higher and higher, but we'll see what happens. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. Really appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Again, if you liked this one, please like and subscribe, and check out the first link in the description, and have a fantastic day.